Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on road marking alert on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen. Tap to the settings, go to the map and interface and scroll down. You can find the last button, the road event, and if you use the alert section, you can find the in navigator mode section, and you can find the road marking cameras. Actually I use this button, but if you want to turn off, click to the next blue circle, and if you want to turn on this alert, just click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.